Hi, my name is Rachel Gehr. I am an NSF Graduate Research Fellow as well as a PhD student in the Department of Engineering Education. Now, the first thing you want to do when you go to apply to a fellowship is to read the solicitation, and you'll also want to do this several times throughout your application process. There's a lot of good information in this document, and while some of them can be pretty lengthy, I promise it's worth your time to take a look through the entire thing. It'll answer questions like, first of all, if you're eligible, but also if you align with the mission of the organization, how the reviewers will evaluate your application, and what exactly you need to include in your application in order to be eligible for the fellowship. A few things to consider here. One, you want to write a coherent application. So even if they require several different documents, you want them all to connect to one another and make sure that there is a clear connection between each piece of your application. Keep in mind that the agency is funding you. While grants fund a research project, fellowships are typically just funding the student. So you really want to talk about why you are a competent researcher and you're the best person to achieve this project. And finally, make sure that you cater your writing to the document. So if you're writing a personal statement, be very professional with your tone. If you're writing a research statement, you want to be technical and show that you're very knowledgeable about this topic, that you understand everything, but you don't want to include any field-specific jargon that might make a reviewer feel excluded. And always remember to define all acronyms you use. A lot of universities provide workshops or seminars about different fellowships and how to apply to them. I would really encourage you to go check out the resources at your university and see if they offer something similar through Go Sign Me Up or a similar type of website. If your university doesn't have any workshops, then I would encourage you to get as much feedback as possible from other people. Ask questions, ask them to look at your documents, because the more input you have, the better your documents will be. Good luck on your applications!